Thanks for purchasing the Ready Bait system. This short video will guide you through the setup process that should only take a couple minutes. You're going to need a Phillips screwdriver, a simple box cutter to cut our hose. Place the Ready Bait on the edge of your dock, preferably near a power source, but do not plug it in until the pump is completely submerged in the water. Let's connect the pump, the hose assembly, and a filter bag. Now place the pump inside the filter bag and tie a simple knot that's easy to remove, since you probably will need to remove it later for cleaning purposes. Our included hose is about 16.5 feet long. You may need to cut the hose based on the depth of the water below your dock. Ideally, the pump should be at least a foot or so below the surface of the water, of course on low tide. This is for salt water only. And at least a foot off the bottom, and do not let the pump rest on the bottom, as it will draw sediment and debris. The deeper the better. To determine the optimal length, lower the pump into the water and hold it closest to where you will connect to that tank. Mark the hose where it will connect, then cut it at the marked spot using the hose cutter, a box cutter, or even a sharp knife. So next, you're going to attach the fitting to the hose using the supplied hardware. Now connect the hose to the tank using the quick connect fitting and lower the pump into the water. Now let's work on the drain line. Cut the drain line to the desired length. We recommend just above the water line at high tide. It's not a good idea to have that line hanging in the water, because barnacles will build up and it'll clog your line. Now you're ready to plug into a GFI outlet. That's all there is, and it's that simple. Just some helpful tips. When you're not using Ready Bait, it's a good idea to raise the pump out of the water and flush it with fresh water. The easiest way is to drain the entire tank, then fill the tank with fresh water. Then simply put the pump inside the tank and plug it in for just a few minutes. Thanks again for choosing Ready Bait, and happy fishing.